We're in Fort Kochi and it's late afternoon.
What time is it, Kay?
It's India time.
You asked me the time, Kay.
Food time.
It is food time.
And we came along to Casa Kitchen. Casa in Italian means home.
Casa in Turkish means safe. Like,
So,
you know, the money safe.
Yeah. If you could let us know in the comments what casa means in Indian, that would be great.
Or in your language.
In your language.
Wherever you're watching from.
That's great. So let's go and have some amazing South Indian cuisine.
Oh, I can't. Beef fry in a pot. We will highly recommend it this because as a big lover, thank you all for recommending me this delicious beef. So it came in a pot. I'm only joking.
Good.
That looks really good. It normally comes with the parota. It's parota, yeah. It's very famous here in southwest India, Kerala. Guess what? I'm in love with parota. So this is just a basic, simple beef fry. I can see lots and lots of ingredients on there already. So waste no time. Oh, that is really soft. That looks really soft.
So juicy.
Let's go. Let's go. Spicy. I am not a fan of fennel seeds. Well, this has fennel seeds in it and I can taste it. It tastes really good, and I think there's 1 star anise in it as well. Cardamom, ginger, cumin, black pepper, onion, garlic. What a rich food to enjoy here our time in Kerala. It is so delicious, and the beef, I thought it was going to be dry, fried. No, it's really soft and really tender. It's so delicious.
Is that little onions and peppers in there?
Little peppers, ginger, onions in there as well. Everything you need in this beautiful gem of a dish. This pot, heaven.
And what have we got here? A small potted salad.
Onion. I was about to say only in Kerala you don't get lemon with the onion because you got lemon inside this.
Ooh, delicious.
Dressed up already. It's so delicious. This food here, I have no idea why. Did I meet you before? Look at this. Seriously, like beef fry, but it's so soft and tender.
Look at my small meal. So this, I didn't realise what I was ordering, but it was vegetable and it looked really nice on the picture. This is chuku, and I hope I'm pronouncing it, or fuku parota. In other words, in Sri Lanka, we were eating this and it was called kotu. This is a vegetable version, and it's not as finely chopped as the one that they do in Sri Lanka, but basically it's layers and layers of paratha, chopped up fine and cooked along with the ingredients. And the ingredients I chose was to have vegetable. The flavours in there are delicious. There's lots of sweet vegetables such as carrots and cabbage in there, and it's really good. The parota, I've got to say, but I think I actually like it better than the Sri Lankan kotu. because the parotas are a lot lighter and it's just so sweet and so delicious. I can definitely taste cinnamon in there, I can taste cardamom in there, and an aroma of delicious Indian spices. The vegetables that are in there is potato, cabbage, carrots, chilies, and also some finely chopped onions and peppers. Wow, what a surprise and what a treat. Gogo's gonna love this. Well, if I'm completely honest, I hope Gogo is gonna love this because this is a huge portion here. Just look at the size of that portion. Huge. Absolutely delicious.
It's hard to believe that you ordered this yourself, but if you are one of our regular viewers, it's easy to believe because Kay always does a buys and order the biggest food on the menu, and I have the job to finish it.
Not knowing.
I like to look at this actually.
Lots of
Lots of potato as well. Yeah.
See what you think. Just a small bite.
It's really light.
It's really light. Delicious.
It's not big, it's fluffy, it's super delicious. As the cinnamon in there as well, just gives a hint of other spices and takes this spice level away. Because these peppers are not sweet peppers, your regular, they are spicy. And there are like loads in this one, these peppers. And the potato cooked to perfection, and the parota is so light and so light. Delicious. And I miss having small bites.
Small bites.
This is heaven. And the carrot is so soft. The cabbage is
sweet.
₹360 for all that.
All that food. Wow.
360.
Amazing.
It is.
We should put the information in the description, but definitely a very recommended stop.
And thank you so much for recommending this place as well. Everything was so delicious.
Somebody has recommended for sweet tooth cake. Thank you so much. I love you. Look at this.
You got there?
It's something Gogo won't like because he doesn't like sweet. But we're in this really cool place and it's called Cochin Halwa Center.
It's about 35 years old.
Yeah, they make the most amazing halwa, I've been told. And you know, if you've seen our videos from Chennai and from Mysore, how much I fell in love with kesari and how much I fell in love with halwa. This is a famous black halwa that is really unique to Keralan. And guess what? Wow, that's still warm. It smells so good. It smells like treacle pudding. It's so good. It's got some pieces inside that are a little bit chewy, but it's exactly treacly. Cannot explain how delicious and syrupy this is. I don't know what it's made of, but I just know that it's called Keralan Black Halwa and it's famous and I love it. Kind of got an edge that you may think it's slightly burnt, and I love that about it. I could eat all of that. All of it. Gogo needs to try it.
It's like a slime,
Yeah, it's sticky.
but I like it. It's warm. It's really slime and great texture about it. The top is a bit like crispy.
You don't like sweet things, Gogo?
When it's cooked in the oven, the top goes crispy and the bottom stays slimy. It makes so delicious. Oh my life, look at that, nuts inside it as well.
The smell is amazing.
Smells very shrubby, it's really nice.
I'm going to let you into a secret, but Gogo said I'd ordered too much. And he said, well, what we're going to do with it, take it home, obviously because we eat out a lot. And I said to him, yeah, we'll take it back and we'll eat it back at home. But I have a feeling this is going to get finished.
Not by me, by you.
By both of us.
By both of us, yeah. I have one more small bite and I'll leave you the rest. That's yours.
That's mine. Enjoy.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Keralan is also famous for crisps. You all know how crazy I am about crisps, but these ones are banana crisps. Salty banana crisps? Are you joking me, Keralan? So light, the perfect amount of crunch and crisp. I'm moving here. Heaven. It is quite dark, so I'm not sure how much you can see. But look at the size of these trees. Oh my goodness me.
Shelter, isn't it?
It's huge, Gogo.
Wow.
Absolutely huge. Really, really big tree trunk. Like, I don't know if it shows just how big the tree trunk is, so I'll go up to it. But the tree trunk is all the way to there. It's huge.
We really had so much fun here in Kerala, southwest of India, and Kochi, isn't it?
Yeah, Fort Kochi.
And it's really big and amazing place. Every corner, every street has got something to offer.
We've loved it, and we've got lots more coming up for you. So please make sure that you give a like,
Subscribe.
and a comment.
It's bye from Kay.
And it's bye from Gogo. And we'll see you soon, everyone.
Bye bye.
Stick around.